Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades with you really quick for today. The first trade I made today was on FDX, and I took FDX as a 1 minute opening range breakdown. I don't usually like to take these trades, but in this set of circumstances I do, and what those are is it was gapping down this morning, so I'm a little bit short bias on it to begin with. And then I want to see it try to pop up above VWAP. So it popped up above VWAP, it couldn't hold, and then it dropped back down through VWAP. We also have here on this 1 minute candle your opening range, and then on this next candle when it breaks down below the bottom of the body of the previous candle is your 1 minute opening range breakdown. So we had it gapping down. It tried to hold above VWAP, it couldn't, and it broke down through VWAP, and we also have the 1 minute opening range breakdown. So there's a lot of signals going on here. So I went short here. I put a tight stop loss just above these moving averages, and that's another reason I really like this trade is because you can put such a tight stop loss on it because this candle is moving so fast, which also means that you usually don't have to sit through a pullback and have it test your stop loss. It broke down through low of the day. I started covering, and I started covering more here towards low of pre-market, and I got out with the last piece here. I got out with the last piece here. I didn't hold it all the way down here, which is unfortunate. But like I said, these things are moving really fast and could have snapped back and stopped me out at break even. So I just wanted to lock in the profit. The second trade I made on FDX was to the long side. We had this daily level down here. It couldn't hold below this daily level, and then we had this squeeze here. On this squeeze, I knew it was at least getting back to VWAP. It did get up to VWAP, and it was having trouble punching through VWAP, but then it dropped, and on this drop it actually looked like it was going to get back down towards low of day, but then it got bought back up really fast, which is a big sign of strength. So I went long here. I put my stop loss below these moving averages. It did pop up, and if you look on these previous candles here, it started to create a little bit of a level. It popped up to that level. I hit my sell hotkey there, but I got a bad fill here. The fact that it came up and hit this level again and dropped down isn't a good sign. I really wanted to see it punch through that level on this candle, and on this next candle over here it started struggling, so I got out with my full position just below break even. The second ticker I traded was MU. I traded MU as a quick scalp trade for a green to red. If you look here, it sold off through VWAP. It tried to squeeze back up above VWAP. It couldn't. Then you had this big drop here. I went short here. I put my stop loss above these moving averages here. And then I covered my first piece here at this level that it had trouble at earlier. And then I had my full order to set to cover above previous day close. It did drop down, and I missed it by a penny, which is unfortunate. When it came back up, I covered it another piece here at that same level, and then I got stopped out with the rest at break even. The third ticker I traded was Facebook, and Facebook was my trade of the day, and this is also the VWAP reflection strategy that I have gone over with you guys before. What that is you have on this 1 minute chart, you have so much strength in the morning. There's no sign of weakness, and then you get the steady pullback to VWAP. You go long, and then it reflects off VWAP back up to high of day. On these trades, I like to see a lot of strength going up, and then I like to see a steady pullback to VWAP. If you had candles here that are huge red candles coming down towards VWAP, I'm not going to go long at VWAP because it's showing too much sign of weakness. So it pulled back to VWAP. I went long here. I put my stop loss just below VWAP, and then I started selling up towards high of day, and then up towards this daily level that we had up here. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.